Let's take a look at this Rock Bros water bottle holder that I picked up on Amazon because we have an e-bike with a aluminum water bottle holder that has been a problem because it's aluminum, it gets bent, and it has sharp points here. And when you're swinging your leg over the bike, sometimes your leg can get caught on that sharp tip there. It can kind of jab you in the inside of your thigh, which is not pleasant. So we thought we'd get a new kind of bottle holder and chose this one because it does what it needs to. It's flexible. It's this nylon plastic. Maybe it's polypropylene, but I think it's a nylon product, and it'll hold on to bottles without having that sharp tip, that sharp edge. It won't get deformed when you put a larger bottle in. It'll snap back into place, and it should work really well. These ones looked good online when I purchased them originally, but once we started using them, it was really not quite the experience we expected. So these should look like a better replacement. They come with the cage, and then you also get an Allen wrench, and you also get two of these screws so that you can mount it to your bike. I'm actually going to use the screws that came with my bike, which are kind of finger tightening screws, black finger tightened ones. They also have an Allen wrench tip, but they just kind of work better with my bike. But I do appreciate that they included these for people who need them with their bike. So let's mount this to the bike and see how it looks. So like I said, my bike came with these black thumb screws that I kind of like. They just kind of match the bike a little bit better. And actually it matches the cage pretty well too. So I'm going to put my OEM screws on, but I'm also curious if the Rock Bros cage screws fit. Not sure if they're all universal or not. And it looks like these would fit just fine if I were to want to use them. And you can see which ones you like better. I think they're both fine. Honestly, I just kind of like the black, but just gives you an idea of what the cage might look like with that screw on, if that's your preference too. So now I have the cage mounted to the bike, and the question is, what kind of bottles will fit in it and what kind of bottles will not? So let's show you. So let's take our first bottle, which is a Camelback. It's about I think it's a 20-ounce bottle, and it's kind of the narrow type of a bottle. And so that'll fit in there just fine. Should hold it very well, and it feels very secure. You can see it has some flex because of the plastic. The plastic can reach around, but I really can't pull it away very much. It's very strong, and that bottle will not be going anywhere when you are riding. Same thing with this Hydro Flask. This is my wife's Hydro Flask, tall bottle, even though it's much taller than the water bottle cage. That is in there very securely, and we won't have the problem like that with the aluminum ones where the arms bent and became loose and you had to bend them back, but then they weren't really very tight because they weren't the right shape anymore. So this one is in there super tight, won't fall out. I also have one of these Yeti mugs, and it's a little bit wider than the ones we had there, but yeah, that should hold also. No problem there. And the next one we have is this very large Hydro Flask, and I'm curious if that'll fit. To my surprise, it actually does. It has a little bit of a bend. It's kind of opening up, and it doesn't fit quite as well. You can kind of see, I'm going to move the camera here a little bit. It's not quite as flush mount to the bike or the bottle cage, but that bottle, for most intents and purposes, if you're just having a casual ride, not going over a mountain bike type of a terrain, this should be just fine. And then the last one we'll put in here is just a plain water bottle, just a plastic water bottle, and it's a little bit loose, as you can see. It's not going to be as secure as some of the larger bottles, but as long as you're just riding on casual terrain, it should have no problem holding that bottle in place. And so honestly, as I think, back to when I first chose this aluminum one that gave us so many problems because it's, so bendable and it flexes, and, you put a big bottle in there and then it's too big, and you put a small bottle in there and it's too loose. I'll never go back to one of these aluminum ones. These are just a bad design, to be honest. And they have those heavy steel cages that are really secure, but they don't have this flex. This flex will hold your bottles better. And I think it's a better choice for 99% of riders to have something like this. It's also it doesn't have that sharp edge, and it's not going to break probably if you bump into it. And it's going to hold on to your bottles better. And I think you're just going to have a better experience. They're also light. So definitely would recommend these over almost any other kind of water bottle cages out there. If it's not this brand, at least one of these ones with this kind of plastic. This is just a good design. And I like this one. So I think it's a great product. And if you guys are looking for a replacement water bottle cage for your bike, definitely check this out. And I hope this short video has helped you decide if it's the right one for you. And thanks for watching.